So I've been drawing a couple of ideas up. Draw around the washer to make the circle. So the circle will be like the top view of your log. And then side view of your log, front view of your log. So I'm thinking I'm going to have a go at doing a heart. So I'm going to cut down from the top, leaving the middle section, and then turn that from looking at it that way to looking at it that way, and then carve a heart, and then maybe do some of these as well. So let's get on with it. One side of the heart, it's white oak, that's what's taking so long. Gonna give the saw a sharpen, give this bad boy a little try. I got the M.T.S chainsaw out because I couldn't be bothered to wait for the chain to cool down on the MS 170s to sharpen it, so I just got this out because it was sharp and just cracked on, making the V and rounding over the top of the heart and just smoothing everything out of it and that. Put a little split there, and then almost ready for us to start rounding it over. Get the grinder out. Just going to give it a little bit of texture. I've just got the Evolution file sander out so I can put these grooves in and make different textures, so when I burn it you can see the grain popping out a bit different, but I realise it's going a bit slow with the file sander. So change the tool, die grinder first and then the file sander after. So I decided to go make the grooves with the die grinder first, so it'd go a bit faster, and then come back across it with the file sander after the die grinder, just to make things go a bit smoother and faster. So it's just carrying it on round. So then as I've got into it, the grooves that I've made for the extra bit of texture and just to make the grain lines pop out differently, I've turned it to like swirls around it as well, so like they're all swirling into one another. Grinder work done. So then I'm just going back over the grooves with the file sander, because obviously the die grinder doesn't leave the smoothest of surfaces after you've gone through it. Just going to clean up this area and then we'll burn. So I've just got my little butane blowtorch out, but like I say, once I've burnt that whole heart, I wish I didn't, so I've just burned the base after, so the red stands out more on the heart and it looks different then. But yeah, live and learn, that's what art's all about, innit? Trial and error, practice makes perfect. So yeah, I would have just not burnt the top part of the heart, but and then just going over it with the nylon brush to clean off all the soot and make the surface all smooth. So I'm just putting a splodge of red paint into quite a lot of water so it's almost making like a dye rather than a paint. So all the grain, you can still see all the grain, but the wood's going to be slightly tinted red, so you can still see all the grain for all your paint. And I'm just using standard acrylic paint, and just quite a lot of water to a little blob of paint. So got there in the end. It's freezing cold today. Woke up everywhere's a white, and the only thing I probably would have done different with this one, looking at it now, is I like how the hot bits turned out, but it's a bit dark in it. So maybe burn around the bottom, then sand here after you've burnt the bottom, so you're not sanding here twice. Keep this white, keep this with a bright wood colour, and then give it a layer of red. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I might make a smaller one of these next, or an I love you vlog. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have already, thank you very much, appreciate it. And yeah, let me know what you think of it in the comments. White oak, so it's nice and heavy. Good gift for the missus.